A challenge is a challenge because you have to do things to get to the next level, right? It's going to push you. It's going to make you come out of your comfort zone, right? So a challenge is a challenge because you're coming out of your comfort zone. You're going to be spending money that you probably didn't want to spend, right? You're going to be spending time that you probably thought you didn't have. And I'm going to be having you do some things that you probably never done before. So this is just day one. It's just the beginning. We have a lot of ground to cover this week. And I want you to let me know what you want. I have your surveys. So I'm going to be dealing with some of those issues as well. And I want you to commit, as I'm committed, to going full out. That's how this is going to work, right? I'm not interested in just me sitting up here talking. I want to help you get where you want to go.